External financing is something that is key priority to this government and most particularly National Treasury. We are in the process of actualizing, raising more funds through Sukuk and even the Panda bond. We are diversifying. We are even going to UAE for other bonds. We don't want to confine ourselves to specific bonds like it has been previously, because there would be a serious risk in the event of certain turbulence in those particular markets. So we are diversifying, and our external resource mobilization department is very active in looking for various sources of funding our budget through external financing. Any last one? You okay? Satisfied? Thank you.
Near Bo County to Kaka Eldoret to Coronel